Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel Travel with Shoshi, and again I come with a review product. The entire roll is 17-inch by 30 feet long, so you can see there's a lot of wrapping paper in this roll. As you can see, it's a nice colorful wrapping paper with cute little bunnies, and the reverse side has a square shape, so it's easy to cut. It's a high quality wrapping paper. It cuts really nice. It's not flimsy at all. It's made really well. Now let's check out how it works with wrapping. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can wrap a round shaped product with this wrapping paper within 5 minutes. It's a really nice, beautiful, high quality wrapping paper. If you like to buy this wrapping paper, you'll get the link in the description box. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to order the wrapping paper from the link. Bye bye.